Welcome everyone. Today we're going to take a look at a welding helmet from Burrito. This is their Welding Helmet Pro, and we're going to get this out of the box and get a better look at it. I do really like how well packaged this comes. This box has got a dual flap on the top and a nice heavy cardboard on here, so this thing's going to come ready to rock for you. And down in the box, we've got some extra goodies. We've got a battery, which is very important to getting this to work properly. Do not use your helmet unless you have a good battery in it. And additionally, in here, we've got 2 replacement screen protectors for keeping our electronic auto dimming unit safe and free from scratches. We got a nice helmet manual here, and I will say I appreciate the larger text and the really excellent directions on how to use and set up this helmet the first time. So we're going to take this battery out, put it aside, and then we're going to look at what we get in this really, really nice helmet bag. And do keep your helmet in the bag. It's so nice to have a nice clean helmet when you're getting ready to weld, and this bag is an excellent way to keep this helmet ready to go all the time. Also, in the helmet bag, you get 3 replacement visors for keeping this view for your eyes really good through this helmet. And I will say that these Burrito helmets are very good at preserving the optical clarity when you're using them. It is a beautiful helmet. You got a nice putty silver gray color here. Nice text here in gold. And then the Burrito name in silver. And this is one of the things that I thought was a real game changer for their helmets, and that is the ability to adjust the shade right on the outside of the helmet. So even with a glove on, you can reach up and get a really good adjustment here for the amount of light you're going to let through. Now, we do want to get this plastic off before we use it for the first time, because that's not going to help us. We're not going to see well through that, but the optical clarity on this helmet is exceptional. And here we get a look at the electronics that are in it, and lots of really good adjustments. This is going to be the adjustment for the diameter of your head. You're going to have adjustments here on top for how high or low this sits in your field of vision. And you want your eyes to be pretty much right in the center of this display. So do remember to remove this as well before you start to use this. Now, the other adjustments that you have in this, you've got some tension adjustments here on the side. These are going to allow you to control how easy it is to flip this helmet down. Some guys don't like the helmet to move at all, and they want their hand to move it into position. Some guys like to set it light enough so that just a light flick of the head is going to bring this helmet down. This headgear gives you a lot of flexibility. Now, on the Burrito helmets, this right here is your battery port. We've already got a battery in here from the factory, so bravo for that. That should mean that we're able to get a test result. Yep, we can see through that. Yeah, we've got a fully functional helmet here. Right now it's on grind. I'm going to move it down here for welding. And you could see the shades flicker there. Might not have come out on camera, but this is going to be your delay for how long it takes to darken. I kind of like that towards the shorter side. I want it to go really quick. And sensitivity, I want that to be pretty high so that this guy darkens right away. There's no waiting for that. Now, if you do the test and this light comes on, that means you have a low battery. So you want to be careful that you don't use this with the battery low. But yeah, really well constructed helmet. And we're going to put this into service and actually do some welding with it and see how it performs. I've done reviews of Verito helmets before, and I've always found them to be of excellent quality and excellent clarity. The vision through them is really good. And the price is fantastic. So let's check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate your time and joining me to check out this really excellent welding helmet. And thanks for watching, and you all have a great week.